Hi folks, today we are going to see about Power BI, which stands for Power Business Intelligence. Let's get into the video. Introduction to Power BI. Power BI is one of the most popular data visualization and business intelligence tool. The Power BI tool is the collection of apps, data connectors, and software services which are used to get the data from different data sources, transforms data, and produces useful reports. What is BI? The BI term refers to business intelligence. It is a data-driven decision support system which helps you to analyze the data and provide actionable information. It helps the business manager, corporate executives, and other users in making the decisions easily. Advantages of business intelligence. Business intelligence improves decision making, fast answers to any business query, enables real-time analysis with quick navigation, identify cross-selling and upselling opportunities, reduces the risk of bottlenecks, helps you to know your business better. Importance of BI. Some more potential benefits of business intelligence tools include driving new revenues, it increases operational efficiency, it optimizes internal business processes, it improves decision making, it is gaining a competitive advantage over business rivals, it is used in spotting business problems that need to be addressed. It can be used in assisting companies in the identification of market trends. Types of BI tools. BI combines a broad set of data analysis applications that includes mobile BI, real-time BI, operational BI, open source BI, collaborative BI, location intelligence, software as a service BI, online analytical processing, and HOC analytics. What is Power BI? Power BI is a data visualization and business intelligence tool which helps to convert data from different data sources into interactive dashboards and BI reports. Why Power BI? It allows real-time dashboard updates. It provides secure and reliable connection to the data sources in the cloud. It allows data exploration using a natural language query. Power BI provides a hybrid configuration, quick deployment, and secure environment. It provides features for dashboard visualization, regularly updated with the community. The components of Power BI. Power BI Service, Power BI Q&A, Data Management Gateway, Data Catalog, Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, Power Map. Power BI architecture shows the process of data preparation, which extracts the load to data warehouse that visualize to Power BI tools. Here are some essential tools of Power BI as shown below, like desktop, service, data gateway, report server, mobile apps. Power BI advantages. Here are some advantages of Power BI as shown below. Secure report publishing, no memory and speed constraints, no specialized technical support required, simple to use, constant innovation, rich personalized dashboards. To update regarding to more technical insights, do follow Shiash Info Solutions. Thank you.